Hey friends, remember this Afro curly hair? Well, I'm back with an update. Hey friends, hey, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is your girl Michelle Ijama, and here we cover all things hair care, skincare, law, and living your best life. Today I am back with a 1-month hair update on this Isee Beauty Mongolian Afro curly hair. I gave you guys my initial impression on this hair about a month ago, and so I just wanted to come back and give you guys my thoughts about it now that we are a month in, especially because I know some of you guys are trying to figure out whether or not you should buy it. So let's dive into my thoughts. It's been a month and 7 days, and I think the hair still looks fabulous. As you can see, it still has volume. Yes, it's shedded a little bit, so it's not as big as it was initially, but I'm fine with that because it still looks very realistic, still looks very good to me. I still get compliments, people still think it's my hair, and all the things are looking good to me. So my initial impressions a month in are I still very much love this hair. So now let's get into shedding. Now, for the sake of this review, I have been documenting how much my hair has shedded each week during wash day. So I am going to insert a clip so you can see how much my hair has shedded from week to week. In my opinion, it is not a lot. I'm actually shocked that it hasn't shedded more than this. A lot of curly hair that I've used actually tends to shed a lot more. And so it's kind of shocking that this is all the shedding over a month and 7 days. Do I think this will be able to last for 3 whole months with that amount of shedding? I'm not sure. I hope so. Given that amount of shedding even right now, again, the hair just looks so full to me that I feel like we can at least get through another month and a half, I think. But we'll see. Let's talk about maintenance. This hair has been very easy to maintain for me. I treat it like my natural hair, so I wash and style it once a week, and that's that. My wash day process usually lasts anywhere between an hour to an hour and a half. I think that's because I am using very specific products that help freeze the curls in place, so it makes it easy for me to detangle, wash, condition, and do all the things without wasting a whole bunch of time. So for me, maintenance has been very, very simple. I think some of the key things that have really helped with the maintenance process for me have been a few things that I'm going to share with you now. The first being the hair products that I use. People might not want to invest in using quality hair products on their extensions, but I do because I like to treat my extensions as my natural hair because I want to get maximum results, and I want to make sure that I'm making my, wash day process as easy as possible. And so I found that using this group of products have really helped with freezing the curls in place so I don't have to refresh every single day. So basically my hair lasts an entire week, and that's with me exercising at least 3 to 4 times a week. So I feel like investing in good products have really helped with maintaining this hair. The next thing that I'd like to talk about is what I use to kind of maintain my hair at night and while I'm working out. First things first, satin scrunchies. Pineapple in my hair at nighttime have just really helped with preserving my curls and making sure that things don't get frizzy, crazy, or out of place. And so investing in some solid satin scrunchies have been really clutch with maintaining this hair over time. When I work out, the combination of these headbands with my satin scrunchies have been everything that I need to maintain my curls so that my hair doesn't get messed up as I work out. So what I basically do is I just throw my hair into a ponytail, and then I put this headband around my edges. If you guys watch my day in the life TikToks, then you probably have already seen what my hair looks like when I work out. I kid you not, once I'm done working out, I let my hair dry, and then I remove the headband and the pineapple, shake out my hair, and I am good to go. Another thing that has been very helpful with maintaining this hair is investing in a solid Denman brush. This Felicia Leatherwood brush honestly is a game changer in reducing the amount of shedding. I think the combination of the products I use and this Denman brush it just makes detangling my hair super easy, so I don't experience a whole lot of shedding. And so I really appreciate this, and I really think it's contributed to why my hair looks as good as it does after a month and 7 days. Another tool that has been extremely helpful with maintaining this hair is investing in a solid blow dryer, and a blow dryer with a concentration nozzle so that you can obviously dry your hair underneath the tracks on wash day, as well as investing in a solid hair diffuser because it helps with, again, preserving your curls as you set your hair. It just makes the drying process a little bit easier. It doesn't disturb your curls or anything like that. And so I feel like if you have the right products, it makes a world of a difference in how long your hair lasts and how much shedding you experience, how much matting, breakage, or anything you experience with your hair bundles. So yeah, maintenance has been a breeze for me personally. If you guys would like to see what my process looks like, drop a red heart down below and give this video a thumbs up, and I will go ahead and create that video for you. Finally, someone had asked a question in my last video about what my braid pattern and how much leave out I have, so I am going to insert a clip of what that looks like right here. Basically, I have about ½ inch on each side. I think it's ½ inch or maybe even a little less than ½ inch. It's enough to just cover my tracks. I know it looks like a lot, but it's not a lot. My hair is just really thick, and so it just looks like a lot of hair, but it's not a lot of hair. She also left out my edges, which again was an important thing for me because as I am doing this long-term protective styling, I want to make sure that my edges are being cared for to the best extent that they can be cared for. And so in addition to leaving my edges out so that they don't experience any tension, I have been using this hair growth serum on my hair pretty much every other day to help with stimulating growth to my edges, as well as just making sure everything is looking fine and nice so that when I finally decide to take out this weave, my hair is still popping. So yeah, so far I am still loving this hair a month and 7 days after having it in. Do I still recommend this hair? Absolutely. I'll be back with another review. If you have any questions, comments, or anything, go ahead and drop them down below. Again, thank you so much for watching. I can't wait to see you guys in the next one. Deuces.